isa po akong beauty queen. Jumo-join po talaga ako sa mga pageants, ganon, and modeling.
Sabi nila, to look like a beauty queen when you walk, torso up, butt out, and think murder.
All the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Big boss bitch, pull up in the bed, flood out my wrist with some ice around my neck. Shitting on my ex, on to the next. He know this pussy good cause he always.
Taga Nueva Vizcaya po ako. Dalawa lang po talaga ng mami ko po. Yung mami ko po, single mom po siya. So, siya po talaga yung nagpalaki po sa akin. Since birth, kasi syempre, pinanganak niya nga ako. Okay. Siya po yung nagpalaki po sa akin and wala po talaga akong hilig na mag-audition nun. First ever audition ko po yung nag-starhan po ako. Mahirap din po sa part siguro ni mami kasi hindi naman po, never po naging madali ang maging single mom. Ngayon po, lagi pong nag-thank you sa akin si mami kasi yes, I'm a good daughter and mabuti akong anak kasi hindi naman po ako pasaway, hindi po ako palalabas noon and kaming dalawa ni mami super
Close.
close po talaga kami sa relationship namin. Best friends ko. Tapos kasi pangarap po ni mami na maging mag-aral po sa isang culinary school and nung nakakaipon na po kaming bini, pinatapos ko rin po siya sa...
Oh my gosh! Ay, natatouch ako sa kwento niyo. So, in effect, binayaran mo ang
Naiiyak ako.
tuition ng nanay mo.
Opo.
That's a big deal na ikaw naman ang nagpaaral sa nanay mo.
Ano po, si mami po kasi sobrang kikay din. So sa kanya po talaga ako nagmana sa kakikayan po. So kunwari kapag lalabas po kami, kunwari may gusto siyang, kunwari mga wallet, ganun, or mga pink na sabon, sabihin niya sa akin kung nak, gusto ko to. Tapos ayun, sige ma, kunin mo na, ganun. So super fun kasi dati ako lang yung nililibre niya, ganun. Tapos, opo, ngayon po kapag magla-lunch date, ako na magbabayad ma, ganun. So, kilig. Nakaka-proud.
I have a low voice and please don't make fun of me because I have a low voice.
Iyong ibig dito muna iyong ibig dito muna ako on a red piece of paper, I threw the last of my tears away, and now it's all clear. Something about you, yeah. You and I were one of a kind, but now I know it was all in my mind. How could you tear my heart into days and 2 months and 2 months into years? I wonder how different our lives will be. Will you be fine?
Ayoko na.
Umuwi ka na, baby. Di na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa tuwing hinahanap kita, ngumiti kahit na napipilitan, kahit pa sinasadya mo akong masaktan paminsan-minsan. Bawat sandali na lang. Come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months, for some reason I just, and I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow, so why can't I turn off the radio?
Top 5 pinakamasasarap na ulam for Bini. Number 5, bangus na boneless for all. Number 4, Bicol Express, hindi maanghang for Mix and Sheena. Number 3, kare-kare without bagoong for Stacy and Mika. Number 2, sisig without mayonnaise for Joel. Number 1, soup only for Sheena.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We just landed and then guys, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of our flight crew headed by Captain Joanna Robles with First Officer Sheena Katakuta, we thank you for choosing Bini Pacific, your airline of choice.
Slow down, sweetie. Welcome to Easy Rock 96.3. Mabuhay, everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang Bini na nagmula sa ABS-CBN. We are in an 8-member girl group from ABS-CBN. And right now po, meron po tayong makakasama na napakahusay na DJ, special guest dito sa Easy Rock 96.3, DJ Nick!
I'm just a girl that everybody tap, double tap, 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 what everybody like. You can check my stats, get everybody side, and then run them laps around everybody's mind. All of these girls talking up like a shit, I know they all cap. Being the best at whatever I do, that's something I'm right.
Baby, get the microphone, put it on speaker. I said I can hear, so you need a speaker. Put that shit on stereo, everyone else in very low. Protect it like a barrier, promise there's nothing scarier than me. Anybody come and get it from my man, gotta get your case, get up in my hand. Bam, 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 hit up to hit the rocks on my wrist, so I call him the Flintstone.
Mess with us, you messed up. You so messy, dress up. Catch a pedal to the middle, gotta wrap up. You never win, now and next up. BB on repeat, we heat like Tiki Wakiki. Really believe you can beat me, believe me, we be like Kiki. Take it easy, take a breath. You mess around, we make a mess. Say less, yes. Daddy just a flex, pave the way and bust it left. If we left, there's nothing left, but the rest, what a mess.
Wake up, get up, dress up, and move. Believe that when you clap, you'll make everything alright. Yeah, believe it, you'll make it, do it. Just be real like a skill, because something's never real. How does something try to business, find a way to handle this? Believe me, you can do it, just promise me you won't fake it. There's a lot of things to do, even if you feel it blue. This condition, though, even though I know that you were asking how. Even though I'm in your problem, that I'm just not the hand, come on, that I'm gonna be, I'm not a nigga, stop, shout, and the guys, everywhere. I'm gonna be, it's gonna die to you.
Ayaw ko makita sa mga mata mo na nalulungkot ka, kaya gumawa na ako ng paraan upang mapawi ang kalungkutan. Kesa naman lagi ka nakakaganyan. Ayoko naman na ikaw ay masaktan. Ramdam ko ang pakiramdam na nahihirapan, kaya naman ayoko lang iparamdam sa iyo. I'm but a hater, pakiko na nawala na din ang matanaw. Nasa kalawak at bumala makababahabang amat ang mga tropang manatili makapaghimay. Sindihan mo, tas ipasa mo, repeat.
Hard times, but I never slow down.
Stars shine brighter when the sun comes down.
No stress, about to keep your head up.
When you fall down south, don't forget to stand up. Pay the pressure, make a diamond. Ride the waves like Poseidon. Stay humble, stay grinding. Make the noise go stop.
Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Mixing, just to fill in my life.
rapper. No more pala, no more peace. Walang dang, friendship, meals, bills, made for. Mahal rin sa mag-i-up. Keep it moving like Melissa. Think you fly, but where you be some more. Kinda Lisa, need some ice cream. Keep it moving like Melissa. Think you fly, but where you be some more. Lisa, kinda Lisa, need some ice cream and a cheese.
Di mo ba napapansin? Ako'y di naghihintay kasi alam ko sa sarili ko hindi ko sasablay. Di ko kailangan ng mga tao na kasing tulad mo. O bakit pa ko aasa kung alam kong kayang-kaya kahit na wala ka? But I don't think I go on. I better know I'm gonna have to try. Lord, give me a reason why. Gotta know what to do, gonna find out the truth, gonna see the reason why. Gonna go with the flow, ain't gonna lose control, cause I know I'm gonna win the fight. Scream in the air, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Scream in the air, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Gotta know what to do, gonna find out the truth, gonna see the reason why. Gonna go with the flow, ain't gonna lose control, cause I know I'm gonna win the fight. Scream in the air, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Scream in the air, yeah, yeah.
Kinikilig ako, itong epekto mo. Kulang na lang tumakbo ako sa banyo. Nakakatakot ka, sumusobra ka. Nakatatak sa isip kong ngiti sa iyong mukha. Naku, ano ba yan? Ganyan-ganyan na lang. Wala ka nang alam gawin kundi maparamdam. Hindi ko na alam, ano ba dapat ang iisipin ko o dapat ba na huwag na lang. Tuwing gabi ka lang nagte-text, message kang walang effect. Nag-aantay kung ano nang next upang ating utak ay mag-set. O ano ba? Huwag na nangarama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa, pwede ba? Huwag ka nang magdrama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Anybody can be good to you. You need a better, gotta put your mind, your mind.
Alam nyo, si Stacey Berritera na. Feeling ko, deserve ang main vocal.
Salamat hanggang sa muli. Kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tambuhan. Bawi ang buhay mo nang walang sabi. Pinupulong ko sa sarili. Mahal kita hanggang sa muli. Mahal ko hanggang sa huli. 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 Say hello, sorry girl, you can't control what you know. When you're home, see you trying to call from your phone. Hold it, everything I want to say. Consider yourself lucky that you're choosing to be happy. Does she tell me that she
Almat, handa na!
Huwag mo nang tigilan ang laman ng iyong damdamin. Alam ko na ang tunay mo na dahilan. Pantagad kang umalis na nagsabi mo na sa'kin. Para naman na paghandaan, yeah. Sabihin noon pa lang agad ko nang hinamin. Madali lang naman akong pakisabi. Sabat pagod na rin naman ako sa atin. Wala akong makinig, kakawala sa akin.
tawag sa'kin, di na pala ako darating pa din. Isama na ako sa mga lalaki mo, ako pa din ang hahanapin pagka nagkukulang sa lambing. Pagka naubos pa sa sarili, naliling mo, ako ang aganti. Tawag sa'kin, di na pala ako darating pa din. Isama na ako sa mga lalaki mo, ako pa din ang hahanapin pagka nagkukulang sa lambing. Pagka naubos pa sa sarili, naliling mo, ako ang aganti na tawagan. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh baby girl,
I got what you want, I got what you need. Mobbing like you don't follow anything. Oh, left, right, get it on the floor. I wanna see you.
palagabog na si ate, sobrang swabe, ang salbahe. Tignan mo, piling, para palaban, ang atake. At malakang na lang ang kailangan, tapos na kagad ang usapan. And I wanna see her booty go left, cheeky right cheek, I wanna see her booty go.
Naglalakad sa may dalampasigan, siksi ang alon at buwan. Sa umaga, ako'y tuliro. Di alam anong araw, anong buwan. Panaginip lang ba ito, di makatakbo? Sabi na dating ginusto ko to, pero bakit nangyari lahat ng ito? Minsan ay nahuhuli ang
sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, pinoproblema, pero teka lang.
Ayoko lang umasa sa love life na hard to find. Tumigil lang maghanap, di na muna mag-chat.
A flower's not a flower until